Pastry chef. There's a particular magic to baking on a rainy day, a quiet alchemy that transforms a gray, sodden afternoon into something warm and golden. The rhythmic patter of rain against the window pane becomes the soundtrack to my kitchen, a steady percussion accompanying the whir of the mixer and the gentle clatter of measuring spoons. It's a day for slowing down, for turning inward, and for creating comfort from the simplest ingredients: flour, butter, sugar, and a little bit of time. The world outside might be drenched and hurried, but in here, a sense of peace settles like a fine layer of powdered sugar. On days like these, I'm drawn to recipes that feel like a hug. No intricate sugarwork or delicate multi-layered constructions. Instead, my hands gravitate towards doughs that need to be kneaded, batters that fill the air with the scent of vanilla and spice, and fruits that bubble into jammy perfection. It's a sensory experience that starts long before anything enters the oven. It's the feel of cool, smooth butter yielding under my fingertips as I rub it into the flour for scones, creating a texture that promises a flaky, tender crumb. It's the deep, molasses-rich aroma of brown sugar as I cream it for a batch of chocolate chip cookies, each spoonful a promise of chewy, decadent centers. The kitchen transforms into a sanctuary. The air, initially cool and damp, gradually warms, filling with the comforting perfume of whatever is taking shape. Today, it's a simple apple cake. The scent of cinnamon and nutmeg mingles with the sweet fragrance of baked apples, a classic combination that feels both nostalgic and deeply satisfying. As I fold the diced apples into the thick, pale batter, I'm not just following a recipe. I'm weaving together memories of other rainy days, other kitchens, and other shared moments of warmth. Each stir of the spatula is a deliberate, mindful act, a small rebellion against the gloom outside. There's a meditative quality to the process. The world narrows to the task at hand: the precise measurement of flour, the cracking of an egg, the gentle folding of ingredients until they are just combined. It's a practice in patience. Watching the cake rise through the oven door, its surface turning a beautiful, burnished gold, is a quiet joy. It's a reminder that good things take time, that transformation happens slowly, and that beauty can be coaxed from the most humble of beginnings. The steam that fogs the glass is like a veil, hiding the final moment of creation until it's ready to be revealed. And then comes the best part, the sharing. A warm slice of apple cake, its crumb impossibly soft, and studded with tender fruit, is the perfect antidote to a rainy day's melancholy. It's an offering, a simple gesture of care, whether it's shared with family huddled around the kitchen table, a friend who has braved the weather for a visit, or simply enjoyed in quiet solitude with a hot cup of tea. It's a moment of pure, unadulterated comfort. The rain can continue its downpour, but inside, we are fortified by the warmth and sweetness we've created. This is why I bake. It's not just about the final product. It's about the feeling, the atmosphere, the simple, profound act of making something good on a day that needed it most. Pastry chef.